A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your second chapter, that is more on MS Windows 10. Today we will be moving to part 3 of this chapter, dear children. In today's part, we will learn about File Explorer. First of all, क्या है ये File Explorer? File, as you can see in this picture on the right hand side. See, this is the icon for the File Explorer, and in the File Explorer you will get all your files and folders जिसको आप manage कर सकते हो. Manage in the sense you can rename it, you can delete it, or you can create a new file or a folder as well. Understood? Now, to open the File Explorer, click the Windows button or plus E, like Windows button on the keyboard plus E alphabet. Or you can also click on the icon on the taskbar to open the File Explorer. See dear kids, this is the icon for the File Explorer. You have to identify the icon as well. Next, the File Explorer is being divided into two parts. On the left hand side, you will get the navigation pane. This is known as the navigation pane, and the right hand side, you will get the content pane. Okay, now I will show you. See, dear kids, this is your desktop. Okay, yes, this is our desktop. On the taskbar, it was written. Now, see, here we are having at the bottom of the task this desktop we are having the taskbar. हमने already study किया था हमारा taskbar कहाँ होता है on the bottom of the desktop. See, on the bottom of the desktop, here you can see the icon, the fourth icon. First, second, third and fourth. This is the icon for the File Explorer. Yes, once you open it, you can see all the recent files and each and everything. This on the left hand side, it is known as the navigation pane. Left hand side, navigation pane, and the right hand side, it is known as the content pane, dear children. Understood? Left को हम क्या बोलते हैं navigation pane, and right को हम बोलते हैं content pane. Next, what you are having? Let us see, dear kids. Next are the libraries. Now, what are libraries? In Windows 7, library appear in the navigation pane, but in Windows 10, you have to put some extra effort. So, if dear children, you are operating Windows 10 at your homes, you will get the navigation, in the navigation pane, you will get the libraries. But if you are operating Windows 10, you have to put some extra effort for the libraries. Okay, that extra effort ma'am will show you because ma'am is operating Windows 10. Okay, now here are some of the steps to open to show how libraries in our File Explorer. Okay, first of all, libraries are the virtual folders. Okay, जो हमारे बहुत सारे फाइल्स को एक जगह पे रखते हैं, मैनेज करते हैं. Okay, like आप म्यूजिक करते हो. ओके, इन योर कंप्यूटर यू स्टोर मेनी सॉन्ग्स, तो आप उन सारे सॉन्ग्स को एक ही फोल्डर में डाल सकते हो, दैट इज म्यूजिक. ओके, एंड यू कैन क्रिएट इट इन योर लाइब्रेरी एज वेल. लेट अस सी. See dear kids, this is your File Explorer. Okay, yes. Now on the View tab, on the top of the File Explorer, you are having some tabs: File, Home, Share, View. On the View tab, you will click on it. Here you are having the navigation pane drop down menu. You will again click on it. Here you are having the option of Show Libraries. Okay, in the View tab, and click on the navigation pane and click on Show Libraries. As you can see, there is on the navigation pane. Okay, here is a folder named Libraries. Okay, यहाँ पे content name आ गया Libraries. We can click on it, and you can see these many libraries are being created in my laptop. Now, dear kids, if you want to create a new library, what you can do? As you can see here, I am having the library of music. पिक्चर्स, सेव्ड पिक्चर्स. सो जितनी भी मेरे कंप्यूटर में, मेरे लैपटॉप में म्यूजिक है, सॉन्ग्स है, आई कैन स्टोर इट once for all in this library. Okay. Now, if you want to create a new library, how you can create it? Right click anywhere, then click on new, and then you are having the option of library. Here you can rename your library as well. For suppose if you want to keep all your computer content here, over here, that is your subject. Okay, आपको कंप्यूटर के सब्जेक्ट के सारे पीडीएफ वर्कशीट आपको यहाँ पे रखने हैं. सो यू कैन रीनेम इट इजीली एंड देन you can easily store all your PDF and all your worksheets. Okay, that ma'am will show you how to copy and paste it in our next video lesson. Okay, इस library में हम कैसे copy paste करेंगे PDF and worksheets, I will show you that as well. Now dear kids, next topic is our, let us see what is our next topic. Now library, yes, we have seen that for the like it includes song, all your songs in one library called music. Okay, now creating a new folder, you can create a new folder and you can rename a new folder as well. Let us see that how to create a new folder. Dear kids, you can create your new folder at any place. ओके, आप डेस्कटॉप पे किसी भी प्लेस पे अपना फोल्डर क्रिएट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ या तो आप डेस्कटॉप में क्रिएट करो, डाउनलोड्स में, डॉक्यूमेंट्स में, जहाँ पे आप इजीली एक्सेस कर सकते हो. इफ आई वांट टू क्रिएट इट ऑन डेस्कटॉप, हियर ऑन द नेविगेशन पेन, आर यू फॉलोइंग माय कर्सर? ऑन द नेविगेशन पेन on the left hand side, I will click on desktop. Yes, dear kids. So now here on the desktop, I want to create a folder. Okay, then I will right click anywhere. I will click on new and then I will click on folder. See here, as you can see, a new folder has been created. Okay, now if I want to rename it, how can I rename it? I want to just type it like this. Okay, understood? Now dear kids, if any other folder is there, okay, for suppose I am having in my pen drive all these folders, all these worksheets. Okay, if I want to rename it, okay, where I will go? I will just click on it. In the home tab, you are here having the option of rename. तो यहाँ से भी मैं किसी भी फाइल और किसी भी फोल्डर को रीनेम कर सकती हूँ. Understood, dear kids? Is it clear? Yes. Now once again on the desktop I will show you. Now this is your desktop. Okay. And now on the desktop I want to rename any file. So how I can rename it? Just click once and then right click on that. Then once you right click it, you are here having the option of rename. That is the second last option, you are having the rename option. Understood? Yes. Rename means to change the file name. Rename क्या होता है? फाइल का नेम चेंज करना होता है. Is it clear, dear children? Understood? Dear kids, today in this video lesson only there was practical sessions. Okay, so you have to just go through these video lessons and then you have to practice where is the file explorer, where you can see the libraries, how you can create a new folder. All these things you have to practice at your homes. If you are having any doubt during the practical sessions, you can also call me or else we can solve that in our online classes. Now dear kids, we will meet next time with something more interesting in this computer. Till then, bye bye all. God bless you.